Hi guys, today is a video about the TikTok application and I will show you right now how to use the AutoCAD templates on TikTok after video recording. So guys, let's go to the TikTok. So you can, for example, create some new video and after download the AutoCAD application and edit this video here and after upload this saved video on the TikTok, but there is very complicated and we have a very easy option to create the same video with cool effects and templates only directly on TikTok without any downloaded apps. So what have you to do? You need to open the TikTok and tap on the plus icon to create a new project. I will record some video as an example. Okay, well done. Let's tap on the check mark. So our TikTok was created, and after, to activate the AutoCAD filter, you need to tap on the second option on the right panel of the screen and wait some time before the template is activated. Here on the menu at the bottom, you will find a lot of possible templates for your video that AutoCAD created. So AutoCAD synchronized your video you had to edit and record and the selected sound from the TikTok and create this special cool template with very nice effects and visual filters. So if you will like the result, I will show you a lot of different templates to demonstrate. So if you like the result, you can tap on the save button to go next. Also, if you like this template but you want to change the sound, you can also do it after tapping on this top option and activating another sound, for example this one. Don't forget that you can use each of the usual TikTok features like volume, cutting, filters, stickers, etc. But you cannot edit this newly created to TikTok because the template is activated. Also, you can add this created TikTok on the story or as a post on your profile. So let's tap on next, and after, as usual, you can tag someone, manage the location, select a new cover, etc. Let's click on the post to add this new video on your profile. Guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely interesting and right now you know how to use this AutoCAD function on the TikTok. So remember that you don't have to download any editors but do everything on the TikTok directly. And guys, don't forget to like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tricks and secrets about the TikTok app and other programs. Goodbye guys, good luck!